Saturn, a massive gas giant and the second largest planet of the solar system. Did you know that if you put Saturn in a massive bathtub, it will actually float? Saturn is very, very light. That is because it is mainly comprised of hydrogen, a little bit of helium, some water, methane, and ammonia. It has a lot of moons. If you count the rings as moons, then, well, Saturn has the most amounts of moons in the solar system. Let's go back to Saturn. Saturn's winds are incredible. They are really, really fast. And because these winds are really, really fast, and because they spiral around the planet just like Jupiter's or Neptune's or Uranus's, if you look on the North Pole, you can see a massive hexagon. This formation sometimes will glow during an aurora borealis effect. Oh, and fun fact, did you know that if an aurora happens down in the southern pole, it is called an aurora australis instead of an aurora borealis? Let's go to the Saturn's rings, probably the most stunning part of the entire planet. Saturn's rings are comprised of different segments. If Saturn's rings were solid, they would easily be torn up and burn up in the atmosphere because the inner layer would spin much faster than the outer layer. Instead, Saturn's rings are made of dust, rock, and ice. It is not really known how these particles got there in the first place, but scientists speculate that the reason behind these rings is one massive moon of Saturn got way too close to it and got shred up by the massive gravitational pull, creating a disk formation on Saturn. It is really, really beautiful. Remember how I told you that the rings were separated into different segments? Well, they are. They're separated into the order that they were found. First, we have the A ring, then the B ring, probably the broadest of them all, and then we have the C ring, and you would think that we would jump to the D ring. But no, it is the E ring. The E ring. And then, when we jump to the F ring, you would think it will go closer to Saturn. Oh, you are wrong. It is all the way over here, outside of the A ring. Long ago, people used to think that the A and B rings were just one single ring. But it wasn't until an Italian mathematician and astronomer found that they are very different ring segments. The name of this famous astronomer is Giovanni Cassini. So, people named the gap after him, and now it's called the Cassini division. Saturn has 82 moons. One of the biggest and most well-known is named Titan. In fact, it's one of the biggest moons in the solar system, and one with very vibrant colors. Its size is only beat by one of Jupiter's moons named Ganymede. The reason why Titan is very well known, besides its size and its name, it has the chance to support life. Scientists have discovered an ocean, a liquid ocean under the surface of this moon. But it's not any regular ocean, it's an ocean of methane. Very, very cold liquid methane. Sometimes plumes and jets of methane erupt from the planet's surface, moon's surface, and out into space. In fact, The Cassini spacecraft, launched by NASA, flew through one of these plumes while it was still pluming, so much plumes, and detected little signs of microbial life, some little tiny organic elements.